In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages in Google Sites. Adding pages is how you organize your content and build a clear navigation for your visitors, and the process is quick once you know where everything lives. Start by opening Google Sites and editing the site you want to work on. If you're already signed into your Google account, you'll see your sites listed. Just open the one you want. Make sure you're in editing mode so the editing tools and side panels are visible. You should see the site canvas in the center and a panel on the right. On that right-hand panel, look for the Pages tab. Google Sites groups its tools into 3 tabs: Insert, Pages, and Themes, and Pages is where your site's structure and navigation are managed. Click Pages to bring up the list of existing pages. If your panel is collapsed or you don't see the tabs, expand the sidebar so the Pages tab is visible. This area gives you a clear view of how your site is organized, and it's where new pages are added. At the bottom of the Pages panel, you'll find a small plus button. That button is your shortcut to creating new pages. Click the plus button to add a new page. Google Sites will immediately prompt you to name it, and this name is important because it shows up in your site's navigation and helps visitors understand where to find things. Keep it short, descriptive, and consistent with the rest of your site. For example, you might use names like About, Services, or Contact. You can always rename it later if you change your mind. So don't overthink it. Clarity is better than cleverness. After you've entered the page name, click Done to create the page. Google Sites will add your new page to the pages list and switch your canvas to that page, ready for you to start adding content. You'll also notice the page appearing in your site's navigation depending on your theme and navigation settings. If you don't see it right away, remember that you're working in the editor. Everything is saved automatically as a draft. The page is part of your site now, and when you publish your site, it will be included for your visitors. That's all there is to it. Open Google Sites and edit your site. Head to the Pages tab on the right, click the plus button, name your page, and click Done. With those steps, you can build out a clear structure and make your site easier to navigate one page at a time.